Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Brett again with Brett's Mobile Wash and Wax. I'm here working with Republic Car Club. We have the 2006 heavily beat-on daily driver. It's a BMW 7 Series. Today we'll be focusing on fixing and working on the leather interior. Okay, guys, so we're in the interior of the 7 Series. Today I'm going to be using Super Clean, which is called an APC. It's an all-purpose cleaner. When I first started detailing, I did what a lot of other people did, and I used Meguiar's APC, which is probably the best known APC. It's probably $20–30 for a gallon size, and you dilute it so you can probably get 6–7 gallons out of it. But what I heard a lot of people doing, and what I've been experimenting with and having great results with, is using Super Clean. I can get this at Walmart, Target, any place really. This gallon cost me $8, and I get the same dilution ratio. I use this 5:1 in a bottle. And it gives me incredible results. It gives me much more. If I need to get a bottle, I don't have to wait overnight to get an APC. I can hop to my local Walmart and grab it, and it gives me just as good, if not sometimes better results, because it's a little bit stronger than Meguiar's APC. So what I'm going to do now is I'll liberally spray this on. I'm not worried about it damaging. It's extraordinarily safe. And I could choose from either a brush. You can get this at any Walmart, car store, and a toothbrush. And I'll start off just going through any of the cracks and crevices with my toothbrush. Anything that this big brush won't get. And what's nice about the Super Clean is when you hit it heavy, it'll foam up, so you kind of know where you've been. You know what you have to hit. You know what you have to hit again. And once I get the small cracks, I'll go in with the heavy brush and just agitate the leather. This is now lifting any grease, any grime, any dirt. Like I said, this is a 100,000-mile daily driver. Some of the cars have been kept well, but these seats have not been. So these are going to be extremely heavily soiled. If I see anything drying out, I hit an area again. And then with a clean microfiber, let's go ahead and mop up. I'll make sure to dry out any cracks. Something like this with perforated leather, if I saw anything, any gook, any crap in there, I can get a dental tool or something small, a poker, paper clip, and just poke through the holes, but I don't really see that being an issue right here. And then you can see, if you go side by side, this side that's been untreated is going to be much shinier. You're going to have all the grease, body grease from getting in and out, whereas this side is now clean. The leather is ready if you'd like to condition it, put something down on it, whereas this side I'm still going to have to clean again. So I noticed down here is, I don't know if it's going to come up on camera, but there's going to be, I don't know what it was, but there's some kind of brown stain. So again, I'm just going to hit it with the APC and come in with my brush, try to agitate it out. So now this big brush is having a tough time getting in the cracks. So I'm going to take my toothbrush again, come in here. Again, don't be shy. This APC is extremely safe, as is most APCs. Meguiar's APC. You can see it's foaming up nice, which is what you want to see. Let you know exactly where you've been, what you want to hit again. If you don't have a leather car, this APC is just as safe on cloth, suede, all leathers. And then go ahead in, mop it up. And while it's not, I could see perfect, for 90% of customers, 90% of people, they're going to be happy with that. And you can see this rag is just picking up all the grease and grime that's been on the seat for probably years. Something like this, if I still see a little bit of it, I might want to come in another time and hit it with a steam cleaner, and that should finish it off and take it out.
And I want to add that even though the camera shows it very vividly, with your naked eye, if you were sitting here, you would not see this. The camera's just so sharp that it's going to catch it.
And don't be shy. If you want to hit this once or twice, it may not come out the first time, but I'll hit this maybe 2 more times, and it'll come out a lot heavier. Yeah, I could tell right now, that's 90% better than it was.
Yeah.
And that last 10% might just need a steam clean.
Yeah, it's just the camera. Yep.
Alright, cut it.
I can't see.
So I just finished cleaning off this whole seat. So now, as you can see, this whole seat's going to be decontaminated. There's no more body oils, body grease, none of that. The whole leather is going to be the matte finish. And then if you look right here, you can see the same thing. This one's clean, this one isn't. So this one's still going to have all that elbow, body oils, and this was going to be the completely decontaminated and cleaned out leather. And that's all just from using that same simple clean, diluted 5:1 in a bottle, using either a larger nylon hard bristle brush or just a toothbrush. For this whole thing, I just use a toothbrush because it was the easiest to just get in there, agitate the dirt out, and I just wiped it off. And that's all that dirt is just from this one panel. So you can see how over time, like I said, this car has 100,000 miles. Over time, these kind of things just accumulate, and it's gonna happen no matter what, unless you're the most, safest person who always wears, saran wrap on their elbows or something like that. But that's as far as we get with these seats, using something as simple as a $8 super clean solution in a bottle. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Like I said, you could see these incredible results for a very, very cheap product. Make sure to tune back. We're going to be doing a lot more videos, especially in this car. Everything from exterior detailing, paint correction, leather treatment, plastic interior treatment, just general auto detailing. Thanks again.